Welcome to the Avnet WebEx series TE Illuminated Tactile switches. My name is Mike Biggs, and I will be presenting a high-level overview of these TE devices today. So what are these devices? These devices are mechanical switches with LEDs built right into them for illumination. Now, where would you use these type of devices? They're buttons, they're HMI, they're designed so that when your user pushes a button, you get the illumination indicator that the button has been pushed. Now, these devices are suited for a wide range of applications, and please don't limit it to just what I have here on the slide. You can use them for industrial equipment. You can use them for building automation equipment like HVAC or light switches or any type of push button in the building. For instrumentation, lots of on-off switches or other switches on instrumentation. Can be used for communication equipment, again, on-off control equipment. Any place you're going to want a push button that's going to have some sort of LED indicator on your board, these are a great option because it incorporates into one device as opposed to having two devices. So some of the key features of these devices from TE are, first off, they're tested to 500,000 cycles, so it's got a long life. There's a lot of flexibility in these devices. There's 8 different colors that you can have in these devices. You can adjust the tactile, the push of it, so the force can be adjusted, and the sound, the click coming back. You can adjust it from a soft click and make it louder and louder. This thing will save you some board space. You're going to place one device as opposed to a switch and an LED. It'll also save you some time on the assembly for the wave solder for the same reason, because you're only soldering one device as opposed to two devices. So, I pulled up some examples of part numbers from TE on these devices. And as you can see, they come in both through-hole THT and surface mount SMT devices. Again, you can vary the color, and we can send you the product key if you would like it, so that you can see how to put a proper part number together. So, thank you for spending a few minutes with me to go over from a high level the TE Tactile Illuminated switches. If you have any questions, you want to get deeper into these devices, I can send you data sheets, or we can set up a one-on-one conference call or visit with TE to go over these devices. If you would like some samples, I can also get you some samples just so that you can play with them. Give me a call, shoot me an email. My email address is mike.biggs@avnet.com, and my phone number is 810-962-4904. So again, I really appreciate you taking the time to go through this information with me, and I wish you the best of days. Thank you very much.